What did you just say?
I want to be a nurse.
No way. Rich girls like you can be a nurse. Look at your dress. It's so beautiful. No way. I won't let you go to that dirty hospital. Now talk to your mom.
I want to be a nurse.
You what?
I want to be a nurse.
You're not going to be a nurse because poor people go to that dirty hospital, not rich young girls like you.
I want to be a nurse because I want to help poorer people.
I'm not letting you.
Please.
No,
Please.
it's a dirty hospital.
Mum, Dad, I've got something to tell you.
What?
I want to be a nurse.
What?
I want to be a nurse.
You cannot be a nurse
Why?
because they make you do hard jobs.
I want to help people for once.
Hospitals are disgusting places. You can't be a nurse
But why?
because there are dirty rats in the hospital. You are not going to be a nurse.
Please, why not?
No, you will never be a nurse. Mr. Smith down the road is fit for you.
No, he is not.
You are not going to be a nurse.
Why?
It's a dirty place. I don't mind if you're a married doctor, but you're not working in a hospital.
Please, Mum and Dad.
No.
Please.
Not at all. No.
Why?
Because there's rats all over the floor. And there's dirty water and there's horrible food.
Well, I can clean it up.
Well, it is a dirty place, so you're not going to be a nurse.
Please.
No. I forbid you, Florence!
Mum, Dad, I want to be a nurse.
What? What did you say?
I want to be a nurse.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
That kind of job is for old people.
Mum, I want to be a nurse. No, because that hospital is a disgusting hospital with rats all over it. You are a rich person. I want you to find a rich boy to live with.
It's not fair. I want to be a nurse.
No.
Please.
This is unacceptable. I won't hear any more of this nonsense. Stop upsetting your mother. Look at her.
Please.
No.
Please.
Get out of my way.
I'm so ashamed that my daughter's going to be a nurse. What will people think of us? We're a rich family. We don't need to work in old, horrible hospitals. Oh, my daughter's going to be a nurse. Why don't they understand me? I just want to help people. It's so unfair. Oh, you poor soldier. What's happened to you?
I got shot by a cannon, and when I fell over, a horse stood on my arm and a rat nibbled my finger.
I must help you.
No, you cannot help these soldiers.
Look at them.
No, you can't look at these men. Your job is to clean this hospital. Stop this nonsense, woman.
It's not fair. I need to help these men. hospital is disgusting. Yes, it's disgusting and horrible. There's rats crawling all over. No wonder I felt one crawling over my head last night. We need someone to help us. Florence Nightingale is very special. People call her the lady with the lamp. Lady with the lamp? Yes. Well, where is she? Is this the lady with the lamp? Yes. Are you feeling okay? A bit poorly. Really hurt.
Oh, you poor soldier. What's happened to you?
I got shot by a cannon in my arm and I got shot in the head.
I must help you.
No, you cannot help this soldier.
Help me, Florence. It really hurts. He's not letting me. Please, can she help me?
No. There's rats in this hospital.
There's no rats in this hospital.
See, Doctor, we should clean this place up. I just seen one. Told you so. I felt one crawling across my head last night.
There's no rat.
Do something about this. This is horrible. This guy's trying to lie to us.
Yes, I'll speak to him. Doctor, we need to clean this place up.
There's no rats in this hospital.
Yes, there is, and we should clean this place up.
Where is the rats then?
Between your feet.
Ah.